Hey guys, Epic Games here, welcome to another video, and I will be doing the Try Not to Laugh challenge, and if I fail, I am going to have, okay, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do, no. Is will you press the button free? So guys, yeah, Alessandra is also, I hope you watch the last video. Will you press the button? Okay, well. Okay. You get to have an unlimited supply of... Eat bacon again? I hate pizza. There's a fact. You guys hate me probably now, but I hate pizza. I love bacon, so I will not press the button. Everyone, say, no, say, look, because, get everything for free, but everyone wants to kill you. Duh. I don't care if people want the button. See, I suck at this. I'm sucking right now. Okay. You can create music and movies straight from your head with new TikTok. That is free. I've always wanted to make a movie and I've always wanted to make a song. So bad. You will have to sacrifice either your sense of sight. Then what's the point? What's the point? No. People, yay! Finally, I'm good. New technology now. Well, you have to wear the opposite gender's clothes for the rest of your life. Old girls will automatically like you for it. Duh! I'm pressing that thing. Good, that's good. I feel good now. You will have an unlimited amount of food, water, electricity, and internet to provide you for the rest. All clothing except socks and shoes will cease to exist. Yep. I came from being bad, but now everyone's agreeing. Spot on, Brain. Woo! Okay, we're going to do 5 more. This is not count. So after this, 5, that counts. But you have the ability to recover from any injury. You feel twice the amount of pain during the healing process. No. Come on, people. You don't... Okay, I'm going to do... I don't care. You have a completely free unlimited speed internet. You can never install app blockers and antivirus programs again. Wait, I don't get... I think they're both good. Wait. It says you can never... See, I'm pressing it because I don't... Yeah, because I have no clue. I think they're both good. I don't know. Oh yeah. You could live in your favorite fairy tale. You would have to be the villain in it. I don't like fairy tale. I don't really know any fairy tales, honestly. You make $1 million every year. The U.S. will become 100% white and all minorities will be deported. Duh. Look, I'm not racist. I'm not racist, man. Wait. Who racist on there? People are racist. Oh my gosh. You become awesome, no one likes... See, the only reason you would want to be awesome is so people like you. I'm already awesome. And, well, the only reason people want to be awesome is because they like you. No one likes you, so, no. See? Okay. Wait, oh, wait. Yeah! That's a good thing! And then you will know every language in history and future, but you have no tongue. Yeah. You can make the person that you love loves you. He or she won't be happy never with you. What's the point then? What is the point? There's no point. Yes! I did good! But unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, get that like button a like. And please subscribe for more content. I will hopefully, if you give me game ideas, I will hopefully give you a shout out. But I will see you guys later. Peace out, guys. IB Games out.